Hi, it's Linda. I'm getting ready to make dinner, so I had my husband to grab the iPhone real quick, and I'm going to just show you what I'm going to make. This is going to be a pizza vegetable casserole. Pepperoni pizza vegetable casserole. As you can see, there's a lot of vegetables in here, and anybody that's on Weight Watchers knows that, they kind of tricked us into getting extra points back. For every cup of vegetables you eat, you get an additional point added to your daily points, so you're able to use that for dessert or whatever, because they want you to eat more of this stuff, because this will fill you up and you get all your nutrients from this. What I'm going to be using, I will take a picture of this and we'll be posting this also on my website, but turkey pepperoni, I've got some black olives, I've got some pizza sauce that's already made, so this makes it really easy and it's not that high in points. It'll be in the recipe. I get this in at Walmart. I have some fat-free mozzarella and some reduced fat other cheddar cheese blend, and minced garlic, a little salt and pepper, and then I'm going to add more vegetables. This might fall over with the mushrooms, whatever vegetables you like, zucchini or anything. And then I buy these bags of like vegetable medley, and then I chop them into smaller pieces to go in my vegetable dishes. I also have some fresh herbs from my garden. I have some fresh basil and Italian oregano and rosemary. If you don't have fresh vegetables, herbs, that's okay. You can use your dried herbs. I just like having the fresh ones, so I have them in my garden. A little salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to put this all together and fast forward it. See you soon. Okay, I cut up all my vegetables. This is actually a double recipe, so I'm gonna put in around 6 cups of vegetables. I've got carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, 2 kinds of bell peppers in here, and onions all sliced up. I'm gonna spray a 9x13 casserole dish. My oven, it's been preheated to 375. I'm also going to add mushrooms, but I don't have a whole lot of space in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 jar of this pizza sauce. This is from Walmart, and I have the points listed in it. It's very low. You can make your own pasta sauce if you want, but this is easy, and the points are low. So I'm going to add 1 jar in with the vegetables. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste, and you'll want to add more later. This thing doesn't shake out real good. And then I'm going to add half of my fresh herbs. So I've got some basil here, all chopped up, half of my basil. And this is rosemary. So half of my rosemary. I want this to cook in with the vegetables. The other's going to be reserved for the top. And this half is Italian oregano, fresh Italian oregano, all from my garden. The rest will go on top. Okay, what I'm going to do now, all this stuff is going to be set aside. This will go on 15 more minutes. I'm just going to stir all this sauce together, mix this together. Then I'm going to add a package of sliced mushrooms. You put what kind of vegetables together, what that you like. We love sliced mushrooms, don't we, babe? And it looks like a lot, but this is really going to cook down, and it's going to be so good. Be right back. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. This is after 15 minutes, and this is just the vegetables with the pizza sauce. And now I'm going to add all the other stuff, the pepperoni and the sliced tomatoes and the rest of the herbs and the olives. It'll go back in the oven for 15 more minutes, and then it'll come out and I'll sprinkle the cheese on it, and that will cook for like 5 more. Almost done. Okay, it's all finished now. It turned out really good. Well, at least it looks good. I'm sure it tastes really good. And we're going to have some French bread here, artisan bread with a little bit of olive oil and balsamic vinegar and some herbs also in there. And then this is mainly all vegetables with pepperoni and turkey pepperoni, all the ingredients that I will list in the recipe. And it makes 6 large servings. And on my plan, it's only 3 WW points each, and I get back like 2 WW points for all the vegetables, maybe even 3 when I go to put it in. So this is a win-win. Because this is so low and so nutritional, very yummy, then I can have some of the bread because I saved on all my points with this. Also, I just wanted to point out, these are my new little, they're not little, these are big, my new cozies that I made now for casserole dishes. And with the holidays coming up, I thought it'd be a really good idea because we go to so many parties. So this one here, as you can see, you can just pick it up. You know, you can pass it around, or you can take it when you go to somebody's house, have the lid on it, and then you can set it down. And if it's hot, it's not going to burn their table, or if it's cold, it's not going to sweat all over the place. And what's really cool is if you warm it up and then you go to somebody's house and you've got a if you've already cooked it and you go to somebody's house and you need to warm it up in their microwave, then you can just take this whole thing and put this whole thing into the microwave and warm it for up to 5 minutes, because it has 2 layers of batting in it that's all microwavable safe. And so it's a really cool thing. I'm going to be selling these on my Etsy shop. I got like 5 different prints right now. And I'm just excited because I'm going to make a dish for Thanksgiving, where we go to one of our family members' house. I always make her something. She's so sweet to host Thanksgiving at her house. And probably green bean casserole. And then I will put it in a real cute Thanksgiving one. And it'll look cute on the table. And then when we leave, I'll give it to her as a gift to keep. So hope you enjoy this recipe. And I'll see you on my next quick recipe. You have a wonderful day, and God bless you, and stay healthy. Bye.